It is now time for basement fire alarm test 24. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices we have for today. For the pull station today, we have this Notifier NBG12L. I believe I have featured this device before, but it's here again. As you can see on top of the stopper, I've placed a little label showing the device address. We will be pulling this today. Up here we have a System Sensor Spectre Alert Classic. It is set on code 3 low volume. It is self-coded for today. This is actually let me zoom in. You can see that as a 1575 Candela model. And it also has the screw release on top. I just want to say before I go any further, I have about 14 of these for sale, I believe, at the time I'm recording this. They are $21 a piece. You can buy them on my eBay store. The link is in the description. And for a change, we will also activate this smoke detector today. Let's get right into it. Okay. I'm gonna spray some of this into the detector. That should be plenty. As you can see right there, it says Demo Smoke. And now we'll go ahead and pull this and find the key, because I don't feel like resetting this after silencing. Alright, here we go. And I forgot to show earlier, we do have audible silence. Go ahead and reset it. Well, it appears the smoke detector is still active. Gotta give it a couple more seconds. I'll see you in the next clip. So that's the end of the video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. And I want to go ahead and add that you can make requests for this setup. I'm accepting those right now. I have the next two setups already lined up, but after that, if you put a request in, I will consider it. And I also may be expanding this portion of the system. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.